Hi kids, welcome to One Kids Learning. So, today we start with our new letter O. The letter O. O orange. O orange. O owl. O octopus. So, are you ready? So, let's start. Firstly, you take out your pencil and watch the screen carefully. Make the O with the same dot pattern by joining the two dots. Start from the top and draw a big round slowly and stop where you started. You will make O orange. O orange. You made the letter O. Let's try one more together. Joining the two dots from the top, make a circle. Slowly, now make the letter O. O orange. Thanks for watching. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रही है लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर जरूर करिए एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. See you in the next video.